Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to change your TikTok region, country, location. So first, all you have to do is to simply launch your TikTok application and you have to make sure that this one is updated. Now go to settings and privacy, and then here you have to scroll down and then look for privacy. Once you tap this, you have to scroll down again and click this location services. Now what you're going to do is you have to click this open device settings, tap this one, and then you have to scroll down again and then click permissions. Now you have to scroll down and click location and then click this deny or don't use this or don't allow this while using the application. But in short, you have to turn this one off, then go back and click this delete certain location data. Okay, you have to tap this one, click delete. And then once you have deleted, and then you can go to your phone settings, scroll down, click this gear icon. Now you have to scroll on again and then look for location and settings. Sometimes it depends, but you should go to your language and region. Once you tap this language and region, you have to click region and then look for that specific country or region that you want to choose or select. You can also do this with the language. As easy as that. So basically, if you go back to your TikTok, then you will see that your region has been changed. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.